this rainbow right here. We're at McDonald's again, and Rainbow Dash, did you make this?
Probably.
Yes, look nice, kind of real. All right, we're gonna go to McDonald's again. I have running out of ideas today. I guess we're gonna get this Happy Meal again.
Okay.
Buddy, here's my shake. Oh, I already almost done. And my quarter pounder, but we have another one. Let me wipe my lips for a second. I think it might be good. So we're gonna skip the food in this video. We're only going to get the here it is. We got Kuromi X Michelangelo. Here we go. Alright, so I'll open this one. I don't have a tripod, but we're only using it as the... Here it is. Here she is. Look nice. We're not gonna use Elinor for thumbnail, but we will get Elinor instead. Let her shine and see. Let's take a picture of her in the background. Here it is. What do you think, Steve? And here's Fluttershy. Alright. Hope you like this. What do you think about this?
Nice.
And the rest of the ponies. Hope you like this.
Yes. Same here.
Alright. And Fluttershy, I turn you this for now.
Alright.
I'll turn into a plush when we get home.
Yeah, same here.
Alright, that's it.
Oh.
Alright, hope you like it.